Hi, this is Danny with the Eco-Conscious Consumer channel, and in this video I will be talking about reusable makeup remover pads, also known as reusable makeup wipes or makeup rounds. Different names out there, but they're very easy to find if you just type the word reusable makeup remover. And I bought this 30 pack from a seller on Etsy.com. You can buy them anywhere. And just a disclosure, I am not being paid by any manufacturer of these to tell you guys that they work. This is just my personal opinion from my own experience. So the reason why I recommend this to anybody who wears makeup or to anybody who ever uses cotton swabs or cotton pads is because it's a way more eco-friendly option. I didn't know this until a few years ago, but the wipes that we're all familiar with for makeup removers and baby wipes and any kind of beauty wipe, they are a huge environmental problem. They, even the ones that say flushable, they're not flushable. They cause a big problem for sewers, end up clogging sewers and eventually ending up in the oceans. And not only that, but they're not really that great for our skin. They're made with synthetic plastic fibers that are filled with toxic ingredients on top of that, and fragrances, and overall it's harsh for our skin. And I recommend these because these are just plain simple, clean, and you can just use whatever you like to remove your makeup. It could be just hot water, or it could be some kind of essential natural oil, whatever it is that you use. But this is a way better alternative, and it's more environmentally friendly, like I said, because the wipes are a huge problem if you dispose them properly. Which, by the way, in the US alone, there are 20 million pounds of single-use wipes being thrown out every single day. Now, assuming that they all end up in the landfill, which we know they don't, they take centuries to eventually break down. So there is no need for that. There's no need for that type of environmental pollution into our beauty routine when we have this, equally good, environmentally friendly option. So I put on some foundation on my face before this video because I wanted to show you guys how they work. So what I'm doing now is I'm wetting it with some lukewarm water, and I'm just wiping on my face. And you can see here how it's dirty right away. So it does work, it gets the job done. On the other side, it's a slightly more abrasive side, which you can use if you'd like some exfoliation or just a spot that's more tough to get out. If you wear makeup every single day, I recommend you get at least 100 of these because you'll go through them rather quickly. I don't ever really wear makeup during quarantine, so I've had this stack sitting in my bathroom for months. And what I like to do is I take an old hair mask container, empty obviously, and I just stash them there. And the dirty ones, they go here. So once I go through them, what you do is you put them in the washer. What I like to do is put them in a mesh bag. That way they don't disperse all over the washer. And then you put them in the dryer with your regular clothes. I highly suggest you wash them with your whites and use some kind of whitening laundry detergent so that they can come out looking brand new. And that's it. You do them with your laundry, and you can keep using these, until they're no good anymore. But so far, I wash all my clothes on gentle cycles, so things seem to last longer. So I highly recommend these guys because, like I said, there is a lot of pollution being created through our beauty routines. Pollution and also cruelty to animals. So always make sure you're buying cruelty free and try to make the environmentally friendly decision when you have so many options out there. Again, hemp or bamboo, I highly recommend because they are more eco-friendly than cotton. But if you're going to go with cotton, try to go for organic cotton because it will use less pesticides and fertilizers. Of all three options, I would suggest you try to go for hemp, even if it may cost a little more. It just requires a lot less water. It's a less water intensive crop. Bamboo is also great because it requires no fertilizers and it self regenerates. So it's a great option as well. And lastly, organic cotton. Like again, emphasis on organic, so there's less pesticides used. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward and to the point. Reusable makeup remover pads is the way to go. Keep your beauty routine clean and eco friendly.